Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to correct payroll errors in Gusto. Mistakes happen even in payroll, whether you're underpaid, overpaid, or forgot to add something. Gusto makes it possible to fix it, and here's how to correct payroll errors the right way. Step 1, identify the error. So before jumping into fixes, you got to pinpoint the problem. Ask yourself, was the amount incorrect? Did you forget a bonus, reimbursement, or hours worked? Did the wrong taxes or deductions apply? Because this helps you to choose the best way to correct it. So first, identify the error, and step 2 is going to be to check payroll status. Now head to your payroll history. Just go to payroll and then go to payroll history, and then you want to click on the specific payroll run where the error occurred, and check if it's already processed or is still in pending status. Now step 3, if payroll hasn't processed yet, this is good news if it's still pending, because it means you can cancel the payroll run as well as make the necessary corrections and then rerun it before the scheduled pay date. Now we'll cover cancellation in the next tutorial too. For step 4, if payroll has already been processed, then you have two main options. Option 1 is to make an adjustment in your next payroll. That's to add or subtract the correct amounts in the next payroll run. You can also include notes for clarity, like corrections for last payroll. This is the ideal for minor mistakes or for small reimbursements. For the second option, you can run an off-cycle payroll. So just go to payroll, more payroll option, and then off-cycle payroll. Now you got to select the employee and enter the correct adjustments. So just choose whether it's a bonus, reimbursement, or missed hours. Now this is best for time-sensitive corrections. Step 5 is to document the correction. So keep a record of the mistake and the correction for internal documentation. This is helpful for filing taxes or audits, and you can note this under payroll notes or in the employee profile. And that's it. Whether you caught the error early or after the fact, Gusto helps you Gusto gives you flexible ways to fix payroll mistakes and keep everything running smoothly. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.